morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, January 23rd. The euro declined 2.08% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1366. Yesterday, the ECB Chief Mario Draghi stated that the central bank will purchase 60 billion euros per month worth of securities, including investment-grade sovereign bonds, beginning in March and currently scheduled to last until September 2016. He further added that these purchases would continue until there was a sustained improvement in the region's inflation. Furthermore, he revealed that policymakers expect inflation in the region to average at 0.7% this year and 1.3% in 2016. Additionally, the ECB kept its interest rate steady at 0.05% at par with market expectations. In other economic news, the preliminary consumer confidence index in the Eurozone registered a rise to a level of -8.50 in January, compared to market expectations of a rise to a level of -10.50. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1236, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.1108. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 11.1572, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1780. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by manufacturing and services PMI data from the Eurozone and its peripheries. The British pound fell 0.84% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5014, after the public sector net borrowing unexpectedly registered a surplus of £12.50 billion in December. The Bank of England policymakers David Miles stated that though the inflation has slowed down recently, there is no urgency to add more monetary stimulus to the UK economy as it remains far from the deflation trap. The pair is expected to find support at 1.4919, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.4824. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5161, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5309. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by the UK's retail sales data, scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar strengthened 0.57% against the Japanese yen and closed at 118.61. Earlier today, data showed that Japan's market JMMA manufacturing PMI advanced to a level of 52.1 in January, compared to prior month's reading of 52.0. The pair is expected to find support at 117.48, and the fall-through could take it to the next support level of 116.58. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 119.06, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 119.73. The Australian dollar weakened 0.87% against the US dollar to close at 0.8024. Earlier today, in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, the HSBC Market Manufacturing PMI Index unexpectedly rose to a two-month high level of 49.8 in January, higher than market expectations of a fall to 49.5. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7966, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.7909. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.8109, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8195. The gold price is traded higher by 0.72% against the US dollar at $1301.50 per ounce, after the ECB, in its highly awaited decision, announced an expanded asset purchase program to revive economic growth in the euro economy, thus increasing demand for the precious yellow metal. Gold prices also found support after Russia expanded its gold reserves for the 9 months to about 38.8 million ounces by 1st of January from 38.2 million ounces, reported in the previous month. The pair is expected to find support at 1282.06, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1266.23. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1310.76, and the rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1323.63. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website at www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channel. Have a great trading day!